very important thing that we need for YouTube marketing is how to drive traffic on our YouTube channel, how to increase the number of viewers on our YouTube videos. So guys, now let us learn how to drive more traffic on our YouTube channel. So firstly, your YouTube channel should give valuable content. Okay, for example, now I am watching a video of some new channel. I am going to watch the video of that channel for the second time when I like the content they are giving me. When the content is actually useful for me, I am going to show some interest for that channel. I will go and watch other videos of that channel also. So when you're creating any video for your YouTube channel, you should give some valuable content, something powerful, okay? There would be many people, there would be many YouTubers on YouTube that are giving similar, that are making on similar kind of topic like you're making. So what is the different thing that you're going to give your customers, your audience? What is the different thing that you're going to give? You should give them some tips, some guidance that no one else in the market is giving them. So this is a very important thing that will give you viewers, that will drive traffic. So when you're going to give some different, when you're going to give some additional thing to them, some secret tips to them that is actually useful for them, trustworthy, okay, the data which is trustful, they are going to come, your traffic is going to increase. So this is the most important thing that will drive traffic on a YouTube channel. Now, you should not be too serious when you're making your YouTube videos. There should be some fun-loving things. If you have observed, then people are making some fun-loving, some comedy, and just increasing their tone, pitch at different levels so that it makes some interactive videos. Okay, so try to make something fun-loving, interactive videos. Now, one more important thing that you can do, okay, you have created your video very perfectly, you're giving some valuable content, you're doing the graphics very nicely. Now one more thing that you can do is how to take them to other videos. For example, in this video I'm talking about certain things, okay, that I have made video already on that topic, where I've explained about the topic in depth in some other videos. What can I do is now, to drive traffic on that video, what can I do is in the description section I can add the link of that video, and while talking in the video I can say them that I've made a video on this topic already. If you're confused, you want the data for this topic, you want the information for this topic, you can watch that video, so your confusions would be cleared. So what you can do is in the description section you can just link that video. One more important thing is you can increase your email list. You can increase your email list through your YouTube channel also. And how can you do it? That is by asking when they want to subscribe to your channel, you can ask, you can give a pop-up of your email, to enter their email ID. So you are going to increase your email list. Now you can also do call to action. For example, when you're doing a review, okay, a review of a product, maybe you can sell products of Amazon on your channel, that you're making a review of that video, and in the description section you're just adding the link of that product. When customers are going to, when your audience are going to click on that link and they're going to buy certain things from Amazon, you're going to get the commission. So this will also add to some money. Okay, now you can add some call to actions also, like you can give a 7 days timeline, that if you're going to take in the 7 days you'll get this offer. Or for example, you are removing a new campaign. What you can do is you can give them free subscriptions in that campaign, free entry in that campaign for just 7 days. And while filling up the form, you can also ask for the email ID, the phone numbers. So you're also increasing your email list. You're asking for a call to action. You're interacting with them, and you're making your bond more stronger. So it will increase your bond. It will make your YouTube channel drive more traffic. It will give some valuable content, adding some information which others are not giving to them. You're making it more funner. Link in the description section of the other videos. You can link it down in your description section. You can increase the email list. You can ask for a call to action that 7 days campaign, free entry just for the 7 days, or any such thing, a call to action. These all things will help you to drive more traffic on your YouTube channel. And guys, these are all the tips that will actually increase the traffic on your YouTube channel.
Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.